How did the Curiosity rover survive a decade on Mars? Mars is a planet that wants to destroy everything on it. Back in 2012, NASA landed this car-sized robot for a 2-year mission, but over a decade later, it is somehow still exploring. So how has this thing survived on the most hostile planet next door? I'm going to show you the insane engineering that turned a 2-year mission into an epic 13-year journey of discovery. Section 1. The Promise and the Peril. Before this rover could even start looking for aliens, it had to survive the 7 minutes of terror. This 1-ton robot was literally falling to Mars and had to land itself. If it made one mistake, it was game over. In one of the craziest things I've ever seen, a rocket-powered sky crane flew down, lowered the rover on cables, and then flew away to crash. The landing was perfect, but that was just the first challenge. Section 2. The Unkillable Power Source. The number one reason Curiosity is still alive is its nuclear power source. I'm not kidding. Inside this thing, decaying plutonium gives it a constant supply of electricity. This nuclear battery makes it completely immune to the dust storms that killed the older solar-powered rovers. And while the power gets a little weaker over time, this thing was built to last at least 14 years. It's the secret to its insane lifespan. Section 3. The Martian Gauntlet. Challenge 1. The Battered Wheels. Right after it landed, the super-sharp Martian rocks started ripping its wheels to shreds. The ground was way rougher than anyone expected, and people at NASA were terrified a wheel would completely break and trap the rover forever. So to fix a flat tire from millions of miles away, the engineers did something crazy. They started driving the rover backwards and even beamed it a smart driving software update. This new program lets the rover change the speed of each wheel, helping it drive over sharp rocks without destroying itself. It was a genius fix. Section 4. The Martian Gauntlet. Challenge 2. The Drill Dilemma. But the most insane problem happened in 2020 when the rover's drill just completely broke. The part that pushes the drill forward failed, which meant its most important science tool was completely useless. For over a year, the entire mission was almost a failure. But these engineers refused to give up. They invented a brand new freehand drilling technique, using the entire robotic arm to push the drill forward. It was like performing remote surgery on another planet. And it actually worked. Curiosity was back in the game. Section 5. A Legacy of Discovery. On top of all that, Curiosity survives insane temperature swings because of a genius heating system. It pumps waste heat from its nuclear battery through pipes to keep its computer brain from freezing. They even gave it software to help it multitask and save energy. And all these crazy fixes led to even crazier discoveries. Curiosity proved that Mars used to have a giant freshwater lake that would have been perfect for life. It found the building blocks of life, complex organic molecules hiding in ancient rocks. These discoveries, which are completely rewriting what we know about Mars, only happened because this rover refused to die. Conclusion. The Lone Wanderer's Legacy. Everything NASA learned from keeping Curiosity alive for over 13 years went into building the next rover, Perseverance. Today, years after its warranty expired, Curiosity is still sending back science from Mars. Every single day it survives is a massive bonus for humanity, a gift from a machine that was built to last, but survived to become an absolute legend.